Hello friends, under Article 136, the Honorable Supreme Court of India has got a special appellate jurisdiction which is of discretionary in nature, which is not a right for anybody to make an appeal to the Honorable Supreme Court if they are aggrieved by the orders of the tribunals or trial courts or the high courts as well. So appeal is not a right. Appeal is only the discretion of the Honorable Supreme Court. If there are any lacunas or mistakes or loopholes in those particular judgments, then only the Honorable Supreme Court will adjudicate them and hear them and grant you a leave to appeal. Okay, so it is gonna take a lot of time, and the success rate is 1 in 10,000 or even I would say 1 in 25,000. SLPs are likely to go through this thorough rigorous process of admissions and conversion into appeals. So getting an appeal, getting an SLP, whether it is civil or criminal, admitted in the Honorable Supreme Court is not such an easy thing, because you need to have very substantial amount of question of law, very strong ground for appeal. Number one, there has to be an error apparent on face of the record where the Honorable High Court has adjudicated the matter, and straight away the Honorable Supreme Court can see an error in the record. That is the second thing. And there has to be a gross miscarriage of justice in that particular case, where when the Honorable Supreme Court takes a review of it, at the face of it there has to be a gross miscarriage of justice to the party. Then only the Honorable Supreme Court entertains the SLP jurisdiction, that is under Article 136, which is very exclusive right of the Supreme Court, not our right. So we need to be very careful in going for 136. It's not that easy. One of the toughest litigations in the country is under Article 136. The best of the best advocates will be on their toes. It's not that easy to convince the lordships in the Honorable Supreme Court, because they read the entire file and come to the court, and they know better than the advocates, the counsels. That's why convincing them will be very difficult. Whatever, they will ask only one question, which is the toughest in your file. You should be in a position to answer that question and convince them. Then your SLP will get admitted. Thank you, friends.